Alright, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. I'm in the van again, of course, because I would like to get this party started and get this van finished so that I can actually put a bed in here and go sleep in this van. This is so exciting. So I've got my sound deadening here, and I went ahead and pre-cut some sheets. Got them all ready to go. Hopefully I cut everything I need so that I can just rip the backing off and throw it up. Let's get started. I'm going to put you guys on a tripod. So I'm going to cut this beam out, put a window here, so I'm going to start with this one. I figured it says like 20 to 25% coverage, so I'm going to put this in the center as best we can and get it all started. Should be pretty easy. I guess I really didn't get a good test on how it's gonna sound before and after, but it kind of just deadens the sound a little bit. That's why it's called sound deadening. The real soundproofing is going to be when I actually put insulation. I don't have a fancy roller, but I'll just use my hand. That's one. I don't know if you can tell, but it does work a little bit. That's the general idea, is we're gonna get all these put in. Okay, now that that's done, you can't really tell, but there's a slight noticeable difference. It really does just reduce the vibrations when you're driving down the road. It's also a little bit of an insulation factor, not much, but it's mostly because the panels, if you ever took a panel and did this, the vibration would go, make that really noise. And what this does is it reduces that vibration when you're driving down the highway. Probably doesn't do a whole lot, but it does help a little bit. So I'm going to take a little bit, put it up there, and enjoy it. Now we're going to put a little bit in the doors and get those done up, and then I'll move on to the next project. Now that project's done, the max air fan's probably going to go here, so I'm not going to do this spot right now. When I cut the hole, I'll put in a couple pieces on the sides, and that should be good enough for me. But we're going to move on to the next project, and I've got these grommets. I've got a bunch of these grommets here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take some of these, and we're going to fill the holes that were created by the previous seller when I bought this thing. So let's get to it. So I've got these holes here, and basically what I've got to do is I've got to shove these gaskets in there. It's a little small, and these are my largest our smallest grommets. So I'm gonna go grab a drill and pop out those holes a little bit bigger. Spray paint. So now that I've done that, I'm going to put some lap sealant on top of that, just like you would on a vent, which I'll be doing on the Max Air fan when I get that as well. So I'm going to go grab that, put some dabs on that. Well, that's pretty much it for today. I got the grommets in the holes. I got them plugged up with some self-leveling roof sealant, which I think it'll be fine. I'm pretty sure the grommets by themselves would have been perfectly fine. I just wanted to make sure there was a double insurance. Plus, there's not going to be any wood or anything in here, so there's not going to be anything wet. If there is any little bit of water that does get spilt in there, hopefully it'll just drain out or go that way or that way, and it will dry out. I don't have to worry about it. But there shouldn't be any water inside the van. Crossing the fingers. But anyways, all the holes are done up. They're all covered up with some self-leveling sealant on top of it. So double insurance. I'm going to get everything cleaned up, ready to go. But thanks for watching, guys. That's it for today. Hopefully tomorrow we can do some more project on the van and get it ready to go, because I want to get some flooring insulation done. I want to get the heater put in, the fan put in, the window. Like, there's so much to do. So catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Thanks for watching.